I had several friends of ours ask me what we get out of RVing. I told them we meet lifelong friends we haven't met yet.
I think also it's this real sense of community. It's just a continual friendship.
After coming to our first rally, we were just absolutely sold on the knowledge we gained from the rally, the friendships that we've made.
I think having so many people around with a common interest, they're so willing to share any issues they've had, improvements they've made, places they've been.
It's really fun to hang out with everyone and hear about their experiences through the year and meet new people, and we do crafts together, talk about life, and yes, camping better, for sure.